Hi, I'm Rosa. Thanks for joining me. I'm about to make some soup and thought I'd bring you along. I'm going to throw a bunch of vegetables together and make a soup out of it. And as you can see, I have sweet potatoes and malanga and an onion. Just a variety of different things. Some corn maybe. We'll see. I have no recipe. I'm just going to throw some stuff together. I have a little bit of oil in my pan and some onions that I've diced up. It would help if I turned on the heat. I'm going to saute these, and I think I will add some garlic too. Like I said, I'm playing this by ear. Oops, sorry, playing this by ear. I'm also going to add this pumpkin, or some of it. I'm going to add some chicken broth to my onions and garlic. And while you weren't watching, I added some garlic just for a moment. And I'm going to stir and get those bits off the bottom of the pan because they're full of flavor. I added the malanga and the boniato. I'm going to save the sweet potato. I'm not going to add it to this. Oh, that one needs a little. Is that okay? Yeah, it's okay. And let me show you. I'm going to put these two back in the refrigerator. I think I've added plenty, and then I have some greens that I bought the other day that I'm going to add as well. Dandelion greens that I'm going to wash up and throw into the soup. I have added the calabaza and the dandelion greens. I have grated some ginger in here, and salt, pepper, basil, chopped onions, garlic, and oregano. And I'm going to give it a taste and see what else it needs. And the salt's not pictured, but it definitely needed more salt, so I just added a couple more pinches, and I think I'm going to add some beans to this. I'm going to add cannellini beans because they tend to be creamier, and I'm going to add some coconut milk too. I also added a little apple cider vinegar. I like to cut the corn up to cook it in the soup, but it was much harder than I thought, so I only cut one up. And that's the soup. This is what the soup looks like. And it tastes very good. That wasn't a recipe. I just threw everything together to make a soup, and that's what we had, and it was really good. So thanks for joining me. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.